Hey guys, so on the third day, as you can see, there were so many people and it was very crowded. And I think that a lot many people had visited on the last day. As I covered in my day 1 and day 2 of the vlogs, please go watch them first. You would see that there are so many stalls. There was this huge gaming area where the kids enjoyed thoroughly. They had so many options to choose from and they were seen playing. Then they also had this robotics gaming zone which the kids were loving a lot. And as you can see that they had a lot many new things to offer. Then there was this dancing class. I think it was hosted by Zenith Dance Class and they were teaching some dance steps to the kids and a lot of kids were dancing to those tunes as well. So overall a lot of them had a gala time over there as well. And then in the evening it was the Gavin's fashion show. So in that Gavin's fashion show a lot of kids had participated again and they were seen walking the ramps, so it was a really fun last day.
Place where they'll feel that they learned something and they will feel so proud. They things like themselves very innovative scientists. Yeah, I want to see those happy faces at very young age.
Okay, guys. So it's day 3, and for today, it's a lot many people. So what I'm thinking is that we're gonna ask and interview a few parents and ask them some questions that what are the 3 things or 3 stalls that they enjoyed a lot, and why do they keep coming to the fair and stuff like that. So yay! Let's see what the parents have to say about all of these things, and we're gonna try and cater to as many as we could. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay.
Play modeling and
Okay. Okay. So tell me about 3 stalls that you visited and loved today.
storybook stall,
Okay.
game stall,
Okay.
robotics.
Oh yeah, the robotics was nice.
We also robotics.
Okay.
Dance stall.
The dance one. Okay. Okay. What are your 3 favorite stalls?
That one robotics
Okay.
and ones that electricians ones
Okay.
and one was the models like
Okay. Creating models.
Yes.
Yeah.
one the tattoos one
Okay.
and that sketches spray and one more I love is that earrings one.
Okay. Show us your tattoo. Oh, very nice. It's a castle. Oh, very nice. Good job.
Learning about the studies, they were showing us that how the electronic things can be made and then the robots and those all things I was seeing.
Okay. So would you tell it about your friends next year?
Yeah.
And is this your first year at the Kids Fair?
Third year.
Huh? Third year. Oh. And is this your first time coming to the fair?
No.
No. Second time. And do you like it better or is it the less fun? What do you think?